Are you ready to take a journey around the world and discover some of the most exotic birds that exist? From the vibrant colors of the rainbow lorikeet to the majestic feathers of the Andean condor, these birds will leave you in awe. So sit back, relax, and get ready to meet some of the most fascinating birds from around the globe. First up, we have the rainbow lorikeet. This bird is native to Australia and is known for its bright colors and playful personality. The rainbow lorikeet has a thick, colorful beak that is perfect for sipping nectar from flowers. Their feathers are a beautiful mix of blues, greens, and yellows, with a touch of red on their chest. These birds are very social and often found in large flocks. They are also very intelligent and curious, which makes them a joy to watch. Next, we have the Andean condor. This bird is native to the Andes Mountains in South America and is one of the largest flying birds in the world. The Andean condor has a huge wingspan that can reach up to 10 feet. Its feathers are a mix of black, brown, and white, and its head is bare with a bright red wattle. These birds are very solitary and only come together during mating season. They are also very good at adapting to different environments, which has helped them survive in the Andes Mountains for centuries. Now, let's move on to the scarlet macaw. This bird is native to the tropical forests of Central and South America. The scarlet macaw has a large, strong beak that is used for cracking nuts and seeds. Their feathers are a brilliant scarlet red with hints of blue and yellow. These birds are very vocal, and their loud screeching can be heard throughout the jungle. Scarlet macaws are known for their intelligence and ability to mimic human speech. Last but not least, we have the African gray parrot. This bird is native to the forests of Africa and is known for its intelligence and ability to mimic human speech. The African gray parrot has a gray coat of feathers with a red tail and a black beak. These birds are very social and live in groups of up to 100 birds. They are also very good at solving problems and have been known to use tools to get what they want. Well, that's all for now. But don't forget, there are plenty more exotic birds to discover. So keep your eyes peeled, and you never know what you might see next. Do you have a favorite exotic bird? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.